Hey Siri, pause music. Currently on my way to hunt down NELK.
There's nothing playing.
Shut up. Oh, guys, I'm so nervous. I'm like shaking. This is my outfit. My New York hat. This is from Amazon. This black dress is Stella McCartney, and then I have my black and white dunks. This, I want to say this is from Zara. This necklace, Amazon, and then this is from a boutique around here in Tuscaloosa. So yeah, come with us to hunt down NELK.
A fucking dress.
Yeah,
we're not discussing.
This is Bailey and Deandra.
Hey guys.
Guys, I'm so nervous.
I know.
There's a fee. Perfect. It's like not focused.
All the way down.
Corks and tops. There's people lining up. Happy Dads. Are they buying Happy Dads? This is our seltzer. How do you? Okay. Them. That is Steve will do it right there, and then that's Kyle. That's their Happy Dad poster.
Okay.
Oh.
It's like.
Totally did not. Oh my god, I'm excited. They're probably taking a video. Yeah, they are.
Steve!
I was at the front of the line, about to go into the store to take a picture with them, and they stopped letting people in right when I got to the front.
Well, they didn't want to be outshined by you because obviously the superior YouTuber.
No. But I got close-up videos of them, so I guess I'm happy about that. But now we're going to a baseball game. I'm so thirsty. I just got back to my dorm. We went and kind of saw NELK a little bit. I saw them like walk into the store, but then they only let like a certain amount of people inside, and obviously they could only stay there for a certain amount of time. I think they're gonna be here on campus like until tonight. I know they were here all day, but I was literally first in line like to go into the store next, and then they let everyone clear out who was taking pictures because people were like buying their seltzers, walking around taking pictures with Kyle and Steve, and then they stopped taking pictures and they left. So, but it was so cool to see them. Also last night we saw Travis Porter. He performed at one of the fraternities. That was cool. And then tonight we're gonna see Waka Flocka. So it's a pretty eventful weekend. I look like a train wreck. I'm gonna start getting ready for tonight. It is confirmed NELK is staying here, which I knew that before, but I think they're just going into some bars here at a local restaurant right now called Moe's, and they're gonna go to Rounders tonight, and I wanted to do that to obviously follow them, but at the same time I did see them today, so I'm like satisfied in that way. Obviously I want to like actually meet them because I didn't get to, and I was that close. But also Waka Flocka is performing tonight. If I get to see Travis Porter, see the NELK boys, and see Waka Flocka perform, it's a pretty good weekend. I think I'm just gonna stick with that plan. I'm trying to pick out an outfit. Also, look at my shoes from last night. These were already like old and beat up, but like look how gross. Like, that's absolutely disgusting. Switching over to the iPhone quality. personality trait.
I'm not going to my Snapchat and I need that. I'm so bummed.
I know, we're not gonna talk about it. We're gonna go out tonight and we missed where NELK was gonna be at tonight. And we didn't end up going to our original plan, so how lovely is that? Now we're cozy on the couch and our friends are coming over. The last time I talked, it was Saturday, I think. We were gonna see Waka Flocka and it ended up getting canceled, so we just didn't do that. This is what I'm wearing. Oh, actually, okay, sorry, it's really dark, but I'm wearing that same New York Yankees hat from Saturday. This shirt, I want to say is from Forever 21. My biker shorts are Lululemon, and I'm wearing my Dunks. It's really sunny today, so I wanted to wear a hat. Okay, so it's later in the day. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. It's the last week before spring break. It's Monday today, and I leave on Thursday, so I'm gonna start packing. I'll probably start packing tomorrow, honestly. I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring my camera back home and vlog everything, so that'll be my next video. This video like didn't have an official intro to it just because I started it like as I was pretty much leaving the door because Deandra was here and Bailey, so it was a little bit confusing, but it was fun. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.